Powerful LED lantern, brighten your campsite or outdoor work area with 2 Eveready collapsible rechargeable lanterns. Rechargeable Camp Lantern, collapsible lantern flashlight with directional, night vision red light and emergency signaling flashing red light modes. Outdoor camp light, magnetic LED light is ideal for area and directional lighting while camping or working outdoors. Super bright LED, 300 lumen camp LED lantern is up to 4x brighter than standard LED technology with up to an 85-meter beam distance. Versatile options, battery-powered or USB rechargeable lantern option with side latches to lock the light and prevent accidental turn-on. ANSI Tested, all Eveready lights are independently tested and adhere to strict, reliable ANSI standards. Sport type, camping hiking. Top reviews from the United States. Many features in this lantern/flashlight combo. This Eveready lantern/flashlight combo has many features. It is both a rechargeable battery with USB cord or can use 3 AA batteries. The lantern is very bright and can be held, sit on table or hung with built-in hook. The flashlight has 3 settings: normal white light, fast flashing red light, and red light SOS signal. I highly recommend especially for the flashlight emergency modes, great for car, boat, camping and hiking.